In this video, I will show you how to create letter poster design in Photoshop. Go to Type tool and type your text. Adjust the text. Unhide this image layer. Press Ctrl T. Right-click and choose Flip Vertical. Down the opacity. Adjust the image. Opacity 100. Go to Select and choose Subject. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Right-click and choose Create a clipping mask. Go to Brush tool. Create a new layer. Adjust the shadow. Go to Type tool and type your text. Adjust the text. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorial.